Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like, share. Thanks. Okay. In this class, now we are going to discuss some important problems from arithmetic progression. Coming to the first problem, here if S1 is equal to A2 plus A4 plus A6 plus so on to up to 100 terms is given, and S2 is the sum of the odd terms, that is A1 plus A3 plus A5 plus so on to up to 100 terms. Let's consider that A1, A2, A3, so on. These are the terms in AP series. But here, sum of the even terms is given as S1 up to 100. S1 is equal to A2 plus A4 plus A6 plus A8 plus so on up to 100 terms. So this is our equation 1, and S2 is given as sum of the odd terms, that is A1 plus A3 plus A5 plus A7 plus so on up to 100 terms. So this is the second equation. But we know that what is the common difference? The difference between the two consecutive terms is called a common difference. Okay. A2 minus A1, that's equal to A3 minus A2, that's equal to A4 minus A3, like that so on. From the problem, S1 S2 is given. Okay, these are in AP, and what is the common difference? This is the question asked. Okay, when you observe the options, it was in S1 and S2 only. Okay, coming to here, so here there is nothing but difference, common difference. So higher term and their below term, the difference is nothing but here. So A3 and the below term A2, the difference is common difference, and A4 and below term A3, the difference is common difference. Okay, here highest term than below term is there A1, A4 below term is A3, A6 below term is A5 is there. Now subtract equation 1 minus equation 2, then we get S1 minus S2 is equal to, for this, A2 minus A1 plus A4 minus A3 plus A6 minus A5 plus so on up to 100 terms. So we know that this is nothing but common difference, D plus D plus D plus C up to 100 terms. So it is nothing but S1 minus S2 is equal to 100D. So from this, common difference is equal to S1 minus S2 by 100. So when you observe the options, S1 minus S2 by 100 is not given. Okay, so the option D is the correct option for the given problem. Come to the next problem. See here, in this problem, find the 26th term of the AP series. So here one AP series is given, then find the 26th term. How can we find the 26th term? We know that the standard formula for finding the nth term, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the standard formula for finding the nth term. But from the series, we can get A value is the first term, that is nothing but 10, and D is the common difference. So 6 minus 10 is nothing but minus 4. Now we want 26th term, that is T26 is equal to A is equal to 10 plus 26 minus 1 into D is equal to minus 4. So from this, 10 plus 25 into minus 4, it is nothing but 10 minus 100 is equal to minus 90. So from the options, option C is the correct answer for the given problem. Next problem. See here, the second and 31st and last term for a certain AP series are given as 7, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and minus 6, 1 by 2 respectively. Then how many number of terms are there for the given AP series? This is the question. So in this, the last term is the minus 6, 1 by 2. Okay. So mathematically we can represent it, T2 is equal to 7, 3 by 4, and T31 is equal to 1 by 2, and T last term, that is minus 6, 1 by 2. We know that standard formula for finding the term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T2 can be written as A plus D, and T31 can be written as A plus 30D, and TL can be written as A plus L minus 1 into D. Now we want the L value. Okay, so this is considered as equation 1, and this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. Now subtract 2 from 2, 1. Then we get D value and A value from this operation. So that is A plus 30D is equal to 1 by 2. A plus D is equal to 7 3 by 4. It is nothing but A cancel. 29 D is equal to 1 by 2 minus 4 7 is 28. 28 plus 3 31. 31 by 4. It is nothing but 29 D is equal to minus 29 by 4. From this we get common difference D is equal to 20 cancel here minus 1 by 4. So common difference is minus 1 by 4. Let's substitute common difference in any one equation from in 1 or 2, then we get A value. Okay, let's substitute here in 1. A plus D is equal to minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 7 3 by 4. From this we get A is equal to 31 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 32 by 4 is equal to 8. So A is equal to 8. This is the first term, and common difference is minus 1 by 4. Let's substitute these two values in third equation, then we get L value. So from this we will conclude that how many terms are there in the given series. 8 plus n minus 1 into minus 1 by 4. So here L means L, that's equal to minus 13 by 2. Okay, so now simplify it. 8 plus 1 by 4 minus L by 4, that's equal to minus 13 by 2. So this is nothing but 33 by 4 minus L by 4 is equal to minus 13 by 2. So I am writing this 6 1 by 2 as minus 13 by 2. Okay, now bring it here. L by 4 is equal to 33 by 4 plus 13 by 2. From this we get L by 4 is equal to 59 by 4. So L is equal to 59. So there are totally 59 terms are there for the given series. So option D is the correct option for the given problem. Come to the next problem. See here, there is one AP series is there. In that AP series, 59th term is given as 449 and 449th term is given as 59. Then in that series, which term is equal to 0? This is the question. So 59th term is given as 449. In that same series, 449th term is given as 59. Then which term is equal to 0? This is the question. So from the standard formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the nth term standard formula for the AP series. So for this T59 we get A plus 58 D, and T449 is equal to A plus 448 D. So this is equal to 449 and this is equal to 59. So this is considered as equation 1 and this is equation 2. By simplifying 1 and 2 we get A value and D value. Okay, by substituting here, so Tn is already given as 0. So by substituting A value and D value, then we get n value, at which n value, which term is becomes 0. Okay, now subtract 2 minus 1, then it becomes A plus 448 D is equal to 59. A plus 58 D is equal to 449. Here A cancel this is 390D is equal to minus 390. Then common difference is equal to minus 1. So D becomes minus 1. Now substitute minus 1 in any one equation in 1 or 2, then we get a value. So A plus 58 into minus 1, that's equal to 449. So A is equal to 449 plus 58. Then A becomes 507. So A is equal to 507 and D common difference is minus 1. Now substitute in this equation, then we get which term is equal to 0. So 0 equal to A is equal to 507 plus n minus 1, D is equal to minus 1. So by simplifying it, 507 minus n plus 1. So this is 508. So minus n is equal to minus 508. So n becomes 508. So 508th term will be 0. So from the options, option C is the correct option. Come to the next problem. See the problem. If the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP is 4 times the sum of the first 5 terms, so then the ratio of the first term to the common difference is what? We know that sum of the n terms, the standard formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here sum of the first 10 terms. So 10 by 2 is equal to into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. This is S10. So and Sy is sum of 5 terms. That is n means 5. 5 by 2 into 2a plus 5 minus 1 into d. So by simplifying this, we get 10 by 2 into 2a plus 9d, and this is 5 by 2 into 2a plus 4d. But one condition is given, S10 is equal to 4 into S5. So sum of the first 10 terms is equal to 4 times the sum of 5 terms. Okay, now we equate this, that is 10 by 2 into 2a plus 9d is equal to 4 times of S5, that is 5 by 2 into 2a plus 4d. Here it becomes 5. Now multiply it. 10a plus 45d on left hand side, and it's equal to 2 ones 2 twos 10, 10 twos are 20, 20a plus 10 fours are 40, 40d. Okay, now bring a terms on one side and d terms on other side. So 10a minus 20a is equal to 40d minus 45d. So it is minus 10a, that's equal to here minus 5d. Minus minus cancel. We want the first term to the common difference, the ratio, that is a by d we want. Okay, so here from this, ten a is equal to 5d. Okay, a by d is equal to 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. So from the options, option A is the correct option. Means the ratio of the first term to the common difference is nothing but 1:2. Come to the next problem. See the problem. What is the sum of the numbers lying between 107 and 253 which are divisible by 5? Okay, so between 103 and 107 to 253 which are divisible by 5. So 107 is not divisible, so the nearest is 110. So 110 to, so 253 not divisible, so 252 also not divisible up to 250. So these numbers are divisible by 5, that is 110, 115, 120, so on to 245, 250. So these are the terms which are divisible by 5, and this is in AP series. So this is the first term, and the common difference is D is equal to 5. Okay, now we want the sum of this all the terms. We know that n by 2 into A plus L. So first term we know, last term we know, but we don't know which term it is. So this is the first term and this is which term it is. So we know that nth term formula, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is 110 plus n we don't know, so that is n minus 1, D is equal to 5, so Tn is 250. So from this we get 250 is equal to 105 plus 5n. So 5n is equal to 250 minus 105 divided by 5. So then n becomes 29. So this is the 29th term and this is the first term. Okay. Now n is 29. So means sum of the 29 terms. So 29 by 2 into A is 110 plus last term is, means that is 29 term is 250. By simplifying this we get 5220. So option C is the correct answer for the given problem. Come to the next problem. See here in this problem, if the sum of the 12th and 22nd term of a certain AP series is equal to 100, then the sum of the 33 terms of the AP series is, so that is here given as T12 plus T22 is given as 100, means 12th term and 22nd term. When you added it, it become 100. Then what is the sum of 33 terms? We know that nth term formula, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, as well as we know that sum of n terms formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now add these two terms, means T12 becomes A plus 11D, okay, for T12, and for T22 it becomes A plus 21D is given as 100. So A plus A, 2A plus 21 plus 11, 32D is equal to 100. So this is the equation 1, and here we want sum of 33 terms. So 33 by 2 into 2A plus 33 minus 1, that is 32D. So when you observe that 2A plus 32D, from equation 1 we got 100. 33 by 2 into 100, so it becomes 50. So 33 into 50 is equal to 1650. So the sum of 33 terms is 1650. So from the options, option is the correct option. Come to the next problem. See here, if P times the pth term of an AP series is Q times the qth term, then what is the P plus qth term gives to? So this is the question. So from the problem, P times the pth term is equal to Q times the qth term. So then what is the P plus qth term? This is the question. But we know that nth term is equal to n A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the nth term formula for AP series. Now from here, P into TP is A plus P minus 1 into D. On right hand side, Q into Q term is A plus Q minus 1 into D. Now express this by multiplying with P on left hand side, then becomes PA plus P square minus P into D, and on right hand side multiply with Q, QA plus Q square minus Q into D. Now bring A terms on one side and D terms on other side. PA minus QA, that's equal to Q square minus Q into D minus of P square minus P into D. So here A is common, that is P minus Q into A, that's equal to, here D is common, q square minus q minus p square and plus p of d. We know that from algebra equations a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So here q square minus p square is there. Now write in this format. Okay, then becomes q plus p into q minus p minus q plus p of d. On right hand side p minus q into a. Here q minus p is common, then it becomes q plus p. Here minus q plus p is there, then it becomes minus 1 into d. On left hand side p minus q into a. So bring minus common here, then it becomes minus p plus q. Okay, so here q minus p is there, here q minus p is there. So these both will be cancelled, then becomes minus a is equal to q plus p minus 1 into d. That is minus a plus minus a is equal to q plus p minus 1 into d. Now bring a on right hand side, that is equal to 0 is equal to a plus p plus q minus 1 of d. So when you observe that with the standard formula, that is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So it is in the standard formula where n is considered as p plus q. So this is p plus q term, that is 0. So p plus q term will be 0. So from the options, option D is the correct answer. Come to the next problem. See here in this problem, a, b, c be the arithmetic progression. Then what is the value of the given expression? This is the question. But we want one relation between a, b, c. We know that from arithmetic progressions, when three numbers are given, their arithmetic meaning will be as given as the first term plus last term by 2 is equal to middle term. So this is the relation between three terms, that is a plus c is equal to 2b. Now when you observe that here 2b is there, here 2b is there, here 2b is there, replace with a plus c, then it becomes a plus c minus c. So 2b is replaced as a plus c minus a of a plus c plus c. So here plus minus c plus c cancel, minus a plus c cancel. Then it becomes here 2a into c plus c, 2c into here 2a plus 2c. So 2a into 2c into 2 into a plus c. Now a plus b can be replaced as 2b. So 2a into 2c into 2 into 2b. 2 to 4, 4, 16. 16 ABC. So from the options, option D is the correct answer. So this expression equivalent to 16 ABC. Come to the next problem. See here the problem. The sum of n terms of an AP is given as 2n plus 3n square. So that is Sn. Sum of n terms is given as 2n plus 3n square. Then which term it is? 229. That is 229 is equal to Tn. Then what is the n value? This is the question. Let these are in AP series means let us assume that so the AP series can generally as a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d so on. So this is in AP series. Here Sn is given as sum of n terms. Now I am going to sum of first term, that means up to one term. So S1 is nothing but a, that's equal to 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 square. It is nothing but 5. So a is equal to 5. Next sum of two terms. Sum of two terms is nothing but this is term 1 and this is term 2. That is a plus d is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2 square. We get 4 plus 12, that is 16. So here 2a plus d, but we have a is equal to 5. So 2 into 5 plus d is equal to 16. From this we get d is equal to 16 minus 10. So d is equal to 6. The common difference is 6 and the first term is 5. Let from nth term formula, that is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to tn. So tn is given as 299. So a is 5 plus n minus 1. So d is 6 we got, that is equal to 299. So 5 plus 6n minus 6, that's equal to 299. So 6n minus 1 is equal to 299. So 6n is equal to 300. So n is equal to 50. So the 50th term is nothing but 299 for the given series. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit like the video.